Hey, we're back. I finally got the stuff done. Now we're putting on the lid. All the screws are in. That was really loud. Okay, final touches. Done. I don't think it's actually hooked up right. It should go in. It's clicked. All you have to do is clamp both sides, which I am having problems doing. Or it's already clamped. Yeah, it's already clamped. Okay. Still having problems. Oh yeah, we're back to the same fucking step before. Fuck. So, excuse my language, but... Come on. There we go. Okay, there. Clip this there. This there, clip that there. Here we go. That's clipped. Around that, folks. Yeah, they're both locked. Of course, yes. Okay. Now we're going for the longest part here. Okay, see here. Now, got those screwed. There's one right here. As I was showing you. One right here. Okay, and now you go for the next. One is right here. Okay, one, like I said, right here. Get that fixed. And this one goes right here. So there's total 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, no, there's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All you have to do is screw them in. lot of people have their Xbox 360s mod their Xbox, and this is how they mod it. All I'm doing is scroll. Fuck, I bet I bolted them. That one. Okay, they should all look like this. You get these, take it. There. Got some more. There they are, stays on. And then I'm gonna hook it up. There we go. And that's how you cleaned your Xbox. My Xbox, fuck yeah. See now, it's all hooked up. Just give me a moment here. Bring it in here. That's what it usually does, but the only reason it's doing that, like this, and see the engine is running way more smooth. I can feel the cold breeze coming out of the Xbox. There we go, see? So all you have to do is push down on this, it comes open. Let's see how's it doing on the ZV. Dashboard. Pretty soon here I'm gonna have to clean my come here. Here's my TV. No way I'm cleaning my TV. Probably take maybe an hour or two to clean the inside of it. See? Everything is working as according to plan. See? Everything works. Same Xbox, same everything. Works. Tray closes. Boom. Clean Xbox. Thanks for watching.